있을까 baby 네 눈을 보면 알 수 있을까 너도 내 맘과 같았으면 좋겠어 네 조금 느린 발걸음이 나는 좋았어 Barefoot, barefoot Take off your shoes and step in the bed Barefoot, barefoot 우린 같은 온도에 있어 푸른 네 바닷속은 얼마나 깊을까 바다 가고 싶을 때 내가 보고 싶을 때 또 네가 많이 아플 때 이 노래를 들어줘 절대 추운 날은 없을 거야 Cause I'll be with you
Ooh, so day 3 now. Day 3. More adventure to come.
Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick outfit of the day. So this is my mom's. I don't know where she got it. This is from H&M. Holly bought it for me. Even like the leggings that I'm wearing underneath, Holly bought them for me. This is from Shein. My shoes are from Nike. Cute. This is from Cotton On. And this is from Shein. Your turn, babes.
I've really never done this before in my life.
Go ahead, girl.
These are from LiQWYD.
Okay.
This is from Foschini.
Ooh.
I bought it myself. Yes.
Sure.
This commuter bag is from Typo.
Alright.
This dress is from Mr. Price.
Cute.
And
Of course. Team Nike.
Yeah, let's go.
Ciao.
Where are you going?
We're going kayaking. Yay. I hope I don't fall into the water like I fell off the bike yesterday. Okay, are you ready?
I'm so ready.
You better be. Okay, bye. I'm Tanaka.
Tanaka? Sweet.
Yeah.
Mellow.
Nice to meet you. My name's Callum. Just like the other times, play Callum. Be like on the guitar.
Okay.
So we'll be
Awesome.
in a double kayak, so you guys will be going together, and I'll be in a single kayak.
Okay.
You guys will be on a team.
Alright.
Perfect. Yeah, your feet and your bum are going to get a bit wet, but as you go forward, this water drains out.
Now, oh, there's a seal right there.
Oh, I didn't see it. Hello, seal.
Oh, sorry. We're on a boat. Guys, look, in the middle of the ocean. And the sun is nicely hitting my face. Ciao. Oh my god!
300.
I'm so ashy. Me too. Hey guys, so we finished kayaking a while ago. I managed to bring my phone and take some clips, so that's why you saw that. I don't know if I had said goodbye. But we went kayaking and now we're eating our first meal of the day at 11:23, and yeah, I'm so hungry. It's hake and chips. Let me show you. Ta-da! There we go. How beautiful. So yeah, we're gonna eat this now. Sorry, I'm just a little bit stressed about a lot of things right now. My bank is acting fresh, so hopefully I can get that sorted today. Otherwise, yeah.
Now what?
Guys, let me tell you what's been happening. Let me vent. Let me show you. You know this bank? Where's that card? I could even cut it up into pieces because it's just useless. This bank, I covered my CVV number because that's the gate to all the money. But you can't even access it because I can't. So anyway, the bank has put a hold on my card 3 times now. 3 times. It's like, I query it, then they fix it, then I query it, then they fix it. It's like, tell me what the real problem is, you know? But anyway, I'm still pushing, but I don't like it here. Like I'm not happy at all, and it's ruining my mood for real. Anyway, yeah guys, Cape Town is not going as smooth as I thought, but we keep moving, keep it going, keep it flowing like the water.
And it is the Woolies water.
That's why I took it, like the water. So yeah, Mela, how are you feeling?
First of all, how's the lighting? Personally, I feel great. I feel good. Tanaka has no reason to stress, guys. The thing is, we keep on delaying to go to the bank. That's all it is. But the minute we get there, everything's gonna be fine, everything's gonna be sorted, and then we'll continue with our trip.
What if they tell me I need to bring my ID?
We're gonna go back home and there's a net bank there as well. So
I think I'm also annoyed that my battery's on 21%, and I was literally like, you know what, today we won't need the power bank. Do I need the power bank? Yes. But anyway, it'll all be sorted out. If they need me to come to the bank, I'll go. Hopefully they fix what they need to fix and I can start using my money. Okay, so today we're gonna go to the garden. I hope the garden will give me peace and serenity vibes. And what else are we gonna do? I might have a friend coming over if he says he's coming, and I'm gonna put it in the vlog. I know he doesn't want me to, but I'm gonna put it in the vlog. Sure, all smiles. Guys, I forgot to tell you. I don't know if I told you guys yesterday, but after we got the ice cream, the wind blew my caramel onto the ground, and when I tell you, I was crouched over holding it like this, and Mela kept saying, don't eat it, don't eat it.
you were so tempted, you were like, no, I'm gonna do it.
I wanted to eat it so badly, and I did. So now I feel like I need a redo. But that ice cream was so good. Like it was so delicioso. So I went to another ice cream place which I've been to before when I came to Cape Town with Camarada, but they were like, we don't have self-serve. I'm like, why are you pulling a McDonald's?
A chicken licking.
A chicken licking. A KFC.
Oh, that trenches.
Remember, I don't know if you were there when KFC said they don't have chicken.
In Hatfield.
Oh my gosh, is that me? Oh, you're watching the story.
Yeah.
Yeah, in Hatfield. They said we don't have chicken. So anyway, I'll find self-serve somewhere. But yeah.
So fruit. Mango. Where's mango?
Where's Olet? Where's Olet? Hey guys. It's so dark. We're in Spa. We're trying to buy some stuff for the garden so we can have like a picnic. I don't know. Where are we going?
Come think of things.
Babes, we need water.
Yeah. personally happy to be here.
Kumnandi kubala.
It's nice to be here. Tanaka's watching her reality TV that I can't relate to because I don't know it. All I know is what she's told me, and there's a lot of drama.
Yo, I'm inhaling.
Here's Onani.
Guys, today is a day that the devil's trying to take over.
Hi Mary, how are you? I'm great.
No.
Excited for the big party.
If today was a character in Selling Sunset, it would be Christine. If you know, you know.
Hey.
It would be Christine.
Yes, she is. The pathological liar in the Lamborghini Urus. This lady. This day is pretty on the outside, but evil on the inside.
Christine didn't come to the team meeting, so I
Okay, I'm
wonder
done.
if she's going to be there.
You done? She'll be fine.
I'm sure these evolved from.
Ew.
Why when?
Don't shout at him.
But here.
Don't shout at him. Nails braids. I'm from Nails braids.
1, 2,
That's how I say it.
1, 2.
Go! And then she says, I'm the immature one. Because I'm 22 and she's 23.
Babe, you still need to roll down.
I'm 22 years old.
Exactly, she's a young child.
I'm too mature for this.
Look, Mom, no hands. Guys, I'm not holding you. You're being held up by my foot. Ain't that crazy? That Uber driver, scam. He was trying to distract me with stories. He was trying to distract me with stories.
Oh my goodness.
But Cameroonian people are so humble.
They're so humble.
They would do
That
drug
was-
dealing
What he did
quietly.
was not humble. So he's the scammer there.
Yeah.
He's the scammer.
Okay, let's go to the bridge. This looks so good in real life. With my last few seconds of battery, we're in a greenhouse. Mello loves it in here. I'm just like, this looks like something in the Flintstones because of all the browns, doesn't it?
No.
Guys, guess who's here? Look, Joshua.
I look so bad. Please don't do
You
that.
don't. Say hi to the people.
No, it's not gonna look.
Say hi to the people.
glowing.
Exactly. Say hi to the people. It's too
Hey
late.
people, my name is. Look, where am I? No, Tanaka, please stop. Cut.
I'm leaving the scene.
Cut.
Okay,
Actually,
cut.
You can post me doing that. Or just like, please stop.
So much
How
drama.
is Tanaka doing
Anyway, we have some food. Oh, people are hungry. Okay, there's the food. And there's the other food. Cool, I'm done.